Hello, I'm Teresa Snow, and in this edition of Inside MU Health, we take a look at the annual employee engagement survey. It should be in your email inbox right now. And joining me is TJ Sweet. He's practice manager at Ellis Fischel Cancer Center. Welcome.
Hi, Teresa. Thanks for letting me be here today.
Thank you. And tell us first about employee engagement. What does it mean? What's an engaged employee?
Sure. So employee engagement is employees that are really focused on the culture of yes and doing the right thing at the right time for our patients and for each other. So they're willing to do that extra thing no matter what, even if it's staying late or coming in early. They're willing to do that extra thing because they understand that them being at work really does make a difference.
They care, deliver, innovate, and serve, right?
That's right.
So one thing we do ask everyone to do is to fill out this annual survey. It's pretty quick and easy. How many questions? How long does it take?
Yeah, so it's actually just 16 questions this year. So it should take maybe 5 or 10 minutes at most. And the important thing about that is it just takes 5 or 10 minutes to really impact the rest of the year, because the answers and the responses back that we get really do make a difference about how we can improve as a health system.
So one question is, do you have a best friend at work? Does that really mean you and I are best friends?
Sure. So the question can mean that you actually have your best friend at work, which would be great. But the question is trying to have us really reflect on whether or not we have someone at work who maybe exhibits some of the characteristics of our actual best friend. So is there somebody who's funny or loyal or honest or trustworthy? Because the work that we get to do is very important to us, but who we get to do the work with is the most important piece.
Fill out the survey between January 4th and when does it end?
It ends January 24th, and it'll come via email, and so you'll be able to do that, and you can actually do it on your tablet and your mobile device this year.
What happens to those questions once we give the answers? And will anyone know we've filled it out?
So no, actually we won't. So as soon as the survey is filled out, it goes straight back to Gallup to do the analysis. We never really know who took the survey. We just know the percentages of people in the organization that did, just so we can use that as a measurement of engagement as well. And then they just deliver the scores and the results back to us.
So it's anonymous, but it's important that they fill it out.
Absolutely. Every voice matters.
So your employee engagement survey should be in your email inbox now from the 4th to the 24th of January. Fill it out. And thanks for watching Inside MU Health.